Welcome to Bohol.
Disclaimer: the sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment. Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Of course.
Guys, welcome to the Surigao. Sorry guys. Bohol. Bohol guys tayo, Bohol.
Hello, hi love love.
Hi. Airport of the Bohol. Hi. Hi. Siyempre, I'm here in Bohol. And mayroon ako super na. Hi. Where are you from, guys?
Amsterdam, Holland.
Wow. You're so beautiful. What are you doing in Bohol?
Holidays.
Vacation. Wow. How many days?
5 days.
5 days. Wow. Nice. Thank you guys. Enjoy. Enjoy Philippines. Alam ko ako yung pinakamagandang nose guys. Hindi pa pala. I'm so shy my nose guys. I love your nose. Okay. Oh my God guys. My nose. But my nose is beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Now in Panglao. So much go. Okay, we'll be judging mutya sa Tagbilaran. Okay.
Mabuhay, Bohol, Tagbirawan. Dahil welcome to Bohol. Guys, finally nakasama na rin siya. Kasi guys, naiwan siya guys sa Surigao. Papasok na kami sa Vela guys. Si ma'am nauna na po sa akin.
Hi! We're going to the room now.
Kasi di pa nainog yung sunog ko sa Surigao. Ngayon dito na naman kami sa Bohol. Kaya natin to.
Okay, finally, we're here after 48 years. So, okay, I'm excited to see. So, this is our suite. Wow, I can see. Like, don't throw away from the water. Wow, nice. Okay, finally, I want to see my room. Oh, wow, so cute. Oh, Nako, I have my own LV. Louis Vuitton. Okay, look, that's so cute. What's inside? Wow, foodie. Oh, wow, mga food. What's this? Delicacies from Panglao. Thank you so much, Renan.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Okay, wow, I love my room. So, okay, my view here. Okay, just look at this. Wow, so beautiful. So, okay, let's get ready for the pageant.
Siyempre, si ma'am. Dito sa pool, white sand.
Okay, we're now here at the Chantica Resort and look how beautiful here. Look, I'm just chilling and relaxing before getting ready for the pageant. I'm judging ang mutya ng Tagbilaran. And thank you, Mayor Jane, for having us here. Okay, and let me show them how beautiful. Okay, nire-ready na ba yung dress ko?
Opo ma'am, in-steam na po.
Na-steam na? Na-steam mo na?
Opo ma'am, ready na po.
Okay.
Naka-ready na yun kayo na with Ate Pen.
Okay. Get mo si Inday. Si Inday finally nasama.
Kaya na rin po.
Oh, you camera her and she camera you. Say hi to each other.
Mabuti, nakasama si Inday.
Kasi,
Naiwan siya sa Surigao.
Hindi, kanina sabi ko kay Francis, hintayin niya ako kasi nga baka mamaya uwi ako. Galing doon sa airport. Baka walang ticket.
Siargao. Wow, we have buko. Fresh buko juice.
Fresh buko juice.
Big.
Ilan siya lahat, ma'am?
Wow. 6 po.
6, sakto po.
Anong? Oceanica? Oceanica
Oceanica Resort.
Resort. Tanglaw, Bohol.
Ayan na.
Ayun na, Ate Lot. Pictures. Ayun na. Selfie na.
Ito na, everyone, may we request a moment of silence. And please, when we call her name out, please, no bashing. We got Filipino socialite entrepreneur and famous content creator, ang tita ng lahat. We got Miss Small Laude! Woohoo! Good evening, Miss Small.
Lot is here
Is Lot here?
She's here backstage.
Lot, let me just tell you backstage,
Andyan.
mas marami pa yung picture ni Lot kaysa sa akin.
Andyan, no?
We love you so much. Okay, Miss Small. Lot, take a picture.
Where's Lot?
Take a picture, Lot.
Where are you? Where's Lot?
Are you ready? Please choose
A judge.
your judge who will be asking your question. Crimson Rose, beautiful name, and she has... Okay, are you ready for this wonderful woman? Tita Small, what's your question?
Go, Smalley.
Okay, good evening, Tagbilaran. So happy to be here with all of you guys. Okay, my question is, if you are crowned tonight, what will be your first plan of action as Mutia of Tagbilaran 2025?
A win is nothing without gratitude. So I would thank my barangay, my family, and my supporters who have guided me through my journey, because we were given the opportunity to join in Mutya, where it is a platform that empowers women and where we can share our advocacy, making a better community. Thank you so much, and Asenso Pamor Tagbilaran.
Asenso Pamor Tagbilaran.
Delivering that message in a very sweet tone.
Right.
I know Barangay San Isidro is so
very
proud.
soothing.
Yes.
Yes.
Remember, no bashing. Okay.
Our Mutya sa Tagbilaran 2025. Mutya number 5 from Barangay Boy, Bull Grill, Chelsea Barinian. Let's give her a big warm round of applause as she gets crowned by our dear Mayor Jane Yap, and no bashing, Small Laude, Miss Jane De Leon, Mary Love, our winner.
Ascenso pa more.
No bashing!
Salamat! Thank you po. Good morning, Bohol. Wow. Hi guys, nandito kami sa Oceanica Resort in Bohol. Guys, so very nice place here.
Oceanica yun ah. Oceanica Resort.
Si ma'am, punta namin ng 9:30 kasi sabi niya 9:30 daw kami pupunta doon sa kanyang vela. Doon po siya guys sa kabilang vela. Doon sa pinakadulo. Kami nandito lang kami, diyan lang kami. Napakaganda ng place ng Bohol. Kapag bago kami nagpunta sa dito sa lugar na to, nagkain muna kami sa bouquet.
Anong bouquet? Buffet yun guys. Ay! Buffet yun. Buffet. Hindi yun bouquet.
Good morning, Ate Weng.
Hi, ready naman yung hair ni Ma'am.
Oh, nako, ginbooking mo ang sikreto ni Ma'am sa hair. Good morning, Dang. Wow, nakasunglasses. Good morning. Ate Karel, good morning. Wow. Yung view namin guys, yung view sa vela nila ma'am ito. Paglabas mo ng sliding door, merong nakaagad na, merong mga ganito, may paniyog. Then babalik tayo kasi hindi pa alam ni ma'am na nandito na kami.
Ay, okay. Have a safe flight, thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Good morning. Good morning po, ma'am.
Oh, good morning, Lot. Alam mo, nag-enjoy ako ng view. Look naman sa view. Tapos ginugulo mo ko. Ang aga-aga. Ginugulo mo ko. May food ba ako?
Ma'am, nagpa-deliver na po ako ng food mo.
Lot, what time is our lunch daw?
12 o'clock daw po. Kasi mayroon pa po kayong pupuntahan na sa Carabao.
Ha?
Carabao Farms.
Carabao Farms?
Opo.
Sa Carabao Farms. Sinday, bilis. Sinday.
Yes, Sinday.
Nag-iano. Naka-shade.
Naka-shade siya. Happy yan guys kasi nakasama sa Bohol.
Ay nako, Inday, alam mo, Inday buti nakasama ka, hindi ka alam mo, ang Inday, pa-selfie pa.
Good morning po.
Good morning, nag-breakfast ka na.
Opo.
Okay, masarap. Tingnan mo naman ang view, Inday, ang ganda. Ang daming mga nagsiswimming. Inday, sige, prepare nyo na yung food ko dyan, ha? Mag-shower lang ako.
Apo, ma'am.
Ay, nako, kailangan ko ng Biogen. Kasi sakit ng head ko. Okay, sige, mag-shower na ako, ha?
Apo, ma'am. Ma'am, may lunch na po tayo, ma'am.
Yung lunch natin with Mayor?
Opo, ma'am. Sa Carabao Farm.
Hindi, sa Carabao Farm ang lunch?
Hindi po, ma'am. Alam ko po may lunch tsaka may lechon po, pero hindi ko alam kung sa Carabao Farm.
Yeah, Mayor Jania pala told me may lechon tayo for lunch today. Sige, magre-ready na ako. I'll shower na, ha?
Opo, ma'am.
Okay, sige. Kayo, nag-breakfast na?
Opo, ma'am.
Finish na. Si Inday, ayan, naka-eye to eye.
Ay, eye to eye po ito ma'am.
Ay, eye to eye. Thanks, Tina, my dear friend.
Ma'am, may nakabiting shoot doon mo, sexy.
Shoot, na naman. Sige, mag-swimming na kayo.
Okay po, ma'am. Thank you po. Woo! Sexy lady. Kinuha niya yung kanyang sombrero tsaka yung turistang Inday. Same kami ng cup. Pink sa akin, tsaka brown sa kanya. Hi! Hello mga foreigner. Hello! Oh, si ma'am siyempre ready kasi meron kaming traveling sa Carabao Farm.
Today ba?
Opo, ma'am.
Lunch tayo may lechon.
Opo, may lechon. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang lechon. Lechon sa gabi, lechon sa umaga, lechon sa lahat. Oh. Okay lang na walang ibang ulam, basta may lechon. Buhay na buhay si ma'am. Lechon is life. Get ready na si madam. Lapit na. Kunwari guys, nakasalamin yan. Pero tulog yan guys, I know. Tulog yan guys. Zoom natin guys. Tulog yan. Oh. See? Nakapikit yan.
Oh my gosh, anong ginagawa mo, Inday? Nag-chocolate drink.
Opo, ma'am.
Masarap ba?
Chocolate ice.
Anong hot chocolate ice?
Cold chocolate.
O, ikaw naman. O, Lot, ikaw, ano naman ang ginagawa mo? Nagsa-sunblock. Oh.
Sunscreen, small steps, skin.
Ay, syempre, kasi hindi ka naglagay nung nasa Siargao. Ayan, sunog ang nose. Naku, my God, ang nose niya. May, itong dalawa na to, nagre-relax.
Huwag mo i-reveal ang nose ko, ma'am.
Yung nose mo, parang lechon.
Huwag mo i-reveal ba?
Ayan, gusto ng ng fans, i-vlog yung face mo. Oh my God, ang sexy.
Pa-close up ng ilong, ma'am.
Wow. Okay, itong dalawang Brujildas. Hindi na angels, Brujildas na. Ay, nako, next time, ganyan ang body ko. Ayan, oh. Ayan, magtu-two-piece na ako next time. Pero kailangan mag-work out. I'll prepare for my Boracay trip and my Balear trip. So, okay.
Ma'am, ganun ba ako ngayon nung katawan ko, ma'am? After 3 months.
Ano?
Wala nang pag-asa.
Ah, hindi. Si Lottie ka. Si ano yan? Winnie the Pooh. Yan ang labas mo. Ganda ng view. Grabe, oh. Wow.
Inday, come here. Try lang yung
So we're now here and magla-lunch kami and they said may lechon. So excited ako. May lechon ba?
Yes po.
Ah, yes, there's lechon.
Bohol lechon.
Bohol lechon. Okay.
These are all farm to table. So we have here the prawns. We have our own production of prawns.
Source out the prawn here sa farm. Look. Okay.
And
then the lechon. Ay, naku, ang malit ng pagkago. Get the food. Okay, parang ang sarap-sarap. Look so good. So, okay, I'm eating lechon na. Not.
Oh, ma'am.
And later, oh, that's mine. And later, we'll do the boating in Lobok and there's lechon again. Thank you, Mayor Jane. Thank you so much. You're so hospitable. So, okay, now we're done with lunch and we'll go to, where? Fishing area. Fishing area. So, what will we do? Yung, suka?
Yes, boss.
So, okay, we'll do the suka making and fishing. Fishing, okay. So, okay, let's go. So, ang suka pala is niluluto. Ay, ingredients, they cook it. Okay, sige, show nga.
Mama, mainit.
Ay, mainit. Mainit ka. Gulat ako. Ako, susunugin mo pa yung skin. Okay, this is how you do the suka. So, niluluto mo pala yung ingredients. So, ito, oh my God, parang sarap, oh. Parang orange like kwek-kwek. Bagay ko to eat kwek-kwek at si orange.
Ano yan, kuya?
Asin. Okay. Ay, ang galing na kung kwek. Kuya, sasabihin mo naman kung ano yung
Nilagay.
paminta.
Ah, paminta.
What's paminta?
Gospel flap.
Okay. So guys, we're doing the suka making. So, how long? Kano katagal yan?
Nasa 5 days.
Ah, 5 days. I will mix it. Aray.
Trabaho si Miss Lot.
So, okay. I will be the one to make the and do the suka. Hinday, ready? Oh, watch. Para alam mo magsuka sa house. Ganito lang. Ginger, garlic, onions, and paminta. Chili labuyo. Okay. And paminta. So, alam mo na, ganyan. Ah, sige, kuya, masyadong mainit. Ang init-init. Luya. Ay, teka, ano na nangyayari? Oh my God! Wait! Yung sinelas ko! Sinelas ko! Oh my God! Mama niyo! Maganda! Eh, kasi naman, bakit naman naka-pointed dito sa farm? Kasi, naka-pointed! Kasi lang ito, guys. Kasi, si Ken, pinapapakin pa niyo. Pinatanggaw ko, sabi ko, magkakaroon ng sand. So, ito naman, pointed. Maling-mali. So, okay.
Nashiwa tayo naman.
Okay, so what's happening there?
I-blend ko na ito.
Oh, i-blend.
Wow! And then, oh! Ganyan. And then, magiging ganyan. Like this. Okay, guys? So, that's the suka na.
Yes po.
O, pwede ba namin, ano yan, dalhin sa Manila?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, pa. Okay. Sige, try ko, ha? Okay. Sarap! I'm so mahilig with suka. Kulang lang ng konting salt. So, hindi nilalagyan na.
Nilalagyan po natin.
Ha? Kulang pa ng salt, so I'll just add. Okay? Thank you. O, sige. Ba't mo siya tatanungin? Okay, go. Anong feeling?
Manghang.
You want nga maanghang eh, chili. O, yan na. Ito na yung water ko. Ito ang nagkukusinera minsan and helping Amelia sa house. Okay.
Lagyan mo.
Taste ka. Napangaway. Wanghang! Sarap. Okay, water. Yung assistant, ibibigay yung water sa assistant. Okay, go! Alam mo, feeling tourist tong si Lot-Lot and si Inday. Okay, let's go na. Basket weaving na tayo, okay?
Sunog ka mo sa kuwig daw. Ingatan na naman natin.
Hindi na, okay na yung nose mo patingin. Pwede. Yung nose. Akin na yung nose.
Ang kapal ng sunblock. Tingnan mo. Namamuti.
Sobrang feeling tourist in Bohol. Okay, let's go na. And you'll do our basket weaving. So, it's here. So, okay. Kuya, anong gagawin natin?
Place na po.
Place, oh, okay. Alam mo, Inday, gumawa ka na lang ng placemat sa house. Ganyan lang, oh.
Parang ang hirap na.
Ibalhin na.
O, bibili na lang tayo.
Ibalhin sa pikas.
Okay, how much isa?
Nasa 200 plus.
200 pesos. So, ang kita mo sa isang araw, 200 pesos plus minus materials, tapos minus yung mga transpo. So, matitira na lang sa'yo, kuya, 100. So, isa lang nagagawa mo sa isang araw.
Isa lang. Depende po.
Isa lang nagagawa mo sa isang araw. Tama ba? Ano ko si kuya?
Kasi ano ma'am, yung mga placements na ginagawang ganyan, binibigay or ginagamit natin sa resort.
So hindi binibenta, ginagamit sa resort dito.
Yung iba, may bumibili, pero yung gawa talaga ni Sinon para sa resort.
Gumagawa siya for resort. So sa isang araw, isa lang nagagawa mo Sinon. Buti nasa resort ka pa. Tatrabaho ka pa dito sa resort. Mahirap bang gawin?
Opo. Sobrang hirap.
Ay, sobrang hirap. Bakit mo kami tinuturuan? Mahirap pa na. Sobrang hirap.
Kuya, may cellphone naman, baka mahulog lang yung sabi.
Si Lot-Lot, baka daw mahulog yung cellphone. Pero ako, okay.
Hindi, kasi ang kamay mo kasi mama, baka may mamalisin mo eh.
So, okay, kuya, hanggang 9 o'clock ng gabi tayo dito. Hindi na kami mag-fishing.
Malapit naman.
Ang flight namin, mga 9.
Malapit na po ma'am.
So, mga 8:30 p.m. Tapos na tayo. Kasi pupunta na kami sa airport.
Paspasin.
Ay. Pag ganyan kabilis, I think makakagawa ka ng 2.
Pwede.
At hilang mo?
Ang malalaman po, ganito po. Ilahin mo kagad.
May nahuli. Okay, so I have to push mo up. Hihila ko pag bumaba yung block. Okay. Ayan. Okay na? Yeah! Wala.
Natinggal po. Wala.
Ganda na baka. Wow! Wow, walang nakuha kahit sa dami. Ayan. Pero, yeah, okay. Paano yan? Sa TikTok, ganyan.
Ikaw na lang.
Yeah! Okay, pwede lang hindi sa Manila to?
Okay na po. Sa inyo na po.
Yay! Pero ang liit ng tilapia mo, kuya.
Pwede natin solid.
Ay, solid. Sige. Okay, throw them away. Throw it away. Okay. So, okay, kukuha ako ulit. Wow! Oh my gosh, ang dami! Oh, ang dami! Ang dami!
Pakawalan pong gate ko.
Alam mo, gusto ko na umuwi. Magbibili na lang ako sa market.
Bayad na lang po.
Guys, alika na, Karil, uwi na tayo. Biling na lang tayo sa palengke ng tilapia. Okay, one more.
Kapag dito po manilipat, pwede na ba?
Okay. Pwede na?
Wala, okay po.
Yeah! Wala. Alam mo, uwi na tayo. Let's go. Okay, ikaw na lang mag-fish. Padala mo na lang sa akin yung tilapia, okay? So, guys, okay, you'll go na and we'll go to Lubbock River. So, kuya, ikaw na. Pero I had fun. Nakakuha ko ng 1. Okay? Pero ang liit. So, okay, let's go na to Lubbock. So, they have this Fisherman's Village, Fishing Lake, Prawn Farm. Okay. Wow. Ang cute. Hey, oh my God. Kulay black.
Ay, sorry.
Kulay black.
Baboy.
Maganda yan. Kulay black. Oh, may sheep, oh. Ikaw? Yan, itawag na ako. Ikaw, ang pina-white mo, yung mukha mo. Ayan, wala na yung mukha.
Oh, hindi ko gama.
Ayan yung face, oh.
Nasunog.
Alam mo, lot. Kanina pa ako naghanap ng tanong.
Tingnan mo yung pinto.
Ay, yeah. Guys, not puro necklace.
Kasi nga, puti. Sunblock.
Sobrang natakot na sinunog.
Pahiram nga. Alam mo, kain na naman kayo ng kain. Pwede, pahiram ng comb. Ay, alam mo, grabe. Alam mo, yung ice cream. Oh my God. Ano? Nakakain lang natin ng lunch. Magdi-dinner na nga tayo at 3 o'clock. Lot, guys. Look, ito rin si Karen. Nasaan ang Weng? Missing in action si Weng. Kasi naman, guys, look at our view. My gosh. Amazing. And look, of course, ang dami nagsiswim. And of course, marami ding foreigners. Look, this.
So, okay, we're having merienda now with Mayora Jane Yap, and of course, and Tita Zin of Lubbock River. So, okay, we're having fun here, and so, later magpupulis kami. Ito yung the water cry. The water cry. Oh, yes. Dalawang tao. Yeah, dalawang tao. So, okay, we're trying this water trike. Let's see kung saan tayo makaka. So, okay, I hope magduso ko ng weight dito. Baka magdusok dito. Wala na! Out of balance na yung boat. So, okay. Ma'am, ganda na. Sige. Ma'am, pag ganun, atras. So, okay, bye! Ang daming kamera. Doon na lang tayo magkita sa Tagbilaran.
Sa Manila na tayo magkita.
Okay. Abante na na isa. Abante. Kasi, buka namin. Ganun sa Manila ba? Where ba? My gosh. Ay, hinihingal na. Yeah. So go! My gosh. Exercise. Yeah. Ha. Paano itong si Lotlot? Hindi naman nagpe-pedal. Okay. Success. I'm the one who pedaled, not Lot. She does not look like Rose. Wow, galing. Para siyang crucifix.
Enjoy staying in the Philippines, guys. Are you enjoying?
Hello! Ay, vlogging din siya.
So guys, it's so sad that Lola Sara passed away. To pay her last respect for Lola Sara. It was so sad and nakakasan. So we're here now to see her for the last time. Thank you, Lola Sara, for supporting me. Sobrang loyal. Imagine up to the last minute, she was watching my vlog. Waiting for my call. And nakomatong siya. You know what? When I was talking to her, nire-raise niya yung hands niya. Rest well, Lola Sara. Oh my God, she's so loyal. She's so loving. So guys, we just update na kasi nakikita niyo sa vlog ko si Lola Sara. So I want to update you guys. So yung regret ko lang, sana natawagan ko si Lola Sara kasi I was thinking tawagan siya 3 weeks before na makomatose. I was trying to call Lola Sara pero nasa work ako noon. And when we were in Siargao, walang signal. We were like calling so many times. Yung regret ko lang, hindi ko nakausap si Lola. Nung malakas ba siya. Sobra ko namimiss kasi laging may video si Lola Sara na kung saan niya ako ka-love. Sobra nakakamiss. At 96, she's very, likay, very sharp. Yung mind na still very sharp. You cannot tell. You really have to treasure. And of course, treasure your loved ones. No? That's the lesson talaga.
Yung video nyo.
Oh my gosh, may video. Look, when she was like, nasa hospital, she had a good life. Kaya lang, isa ka na lang sa house. The apo who took care of Lola Sara.
Magbabay ka na kay nanay.
Thank you for the Lola. I love you. So guys, we're now here at Lola Sara's place and let's see, oh my God, makikilala kaya ako ni Lola. Okay, let's go na to Lola.
Salamat na kita.
Ika pa.
Salamat pa sa kita. Lagi kitang pinapanood sa vlog ko.
Oh my gosh, I saw her finally. Finally, I saw Lola Sara and thank you for the support and the reflection. So
yeah, I will request to.
How old are you, Lola Sara?
I'll be 95 on her way.
Oh, she'll be 95. Oh my gosh. So finally, we're here at Lola Sara's. So okay, sorry for being so late.
Thank you for your record.
You're so beautiful. So beautiful. Look at Lola Sara at 100 years old. 100 years old and look how healthy. My God, I love you. Oh. Wow, I'm so happy to be here with Lola Sara. Lola Sara, I have something for you. Lola Sara, I have your skincare. Para kumilos ka, Lola Sara. Oh, syempre may small t-shirt. Wow. And of course, may mga fruits dyan, Lola Sara. See you well and doing good, ah.
Thank you for my favorite call. Yes, girl.
Thank you for the flowers. They're so pretty. For passing the small fans. Thank you again.
Lola Sara! Lola Sara!
Hi, Small. It's me, Lola Sara. How are you doing? I hope all is fine. Thank you for supporting my grandson small business. Did you know that that recipe of Perana is for my auntie and I made that recipe when my kids are still going to school. My earnings was able to have my kids finish college. I always watch you during your bonding with your family. It makes me feel good and my stress go away. My kids always call me, no mercy, just for fun, just like you, because they always see me on the iPad on their cell phone. I feel so happy. You make me happy, watch your vlog. And now, it's my birthday this coming November. I'll be 95. I hope to see you soon. I might not be there anymore. I will be continue until I finish 95. I don't know. God is only one who knows when He's gonna get me. So I want to see you. Small, I want to meet you in person. Of course. No passing is all for fun. Hi guys. I'm Sarah. I'm a partner of Small Laude. I love Small very much. I am her fans. I hope to see her soon. Of course. No passing.